Good afternoon.
Why you looking scared, bro?
Because you picked it up and you stood in front of me.
All right, we're just giving a quick testimony. So, Sean, if you could just state your name, how you heard about us, and your experience.
Okay, like you said, I'm Sean Davis. I'm from Brooklyn. I just got frustrated and I clicked a Facebook ad actually, and it brought me to Juan. And after I say about 2 months of watching the videos, I made the call and I started with the credit repair first.
Okay.
That didn't take long at all because it's not like my credit was all messed up to begin with. There was like, I think maybe 3 or 4 inquiries that were removed, and it was quick.
So let me ask you, what was your credit score prior and after using One Finance?
In the 620s when after I went through the credit repair program and everything, it went right to 750.
Oh, excellent, excellent. So you got good results from credit repair. Anything else?
And the process didn't take, I couldn't believe that the process wasn't that long either. The process was like that too.
Like 30 days?
No, mine was done within a matter of weeks. I think it was like within 2 to 3 weeks.
Sheesh. That's good, that's good. All right, anything else? And what about the coaching? How's the coaching going so far?
The coaching is, I think I'm going to have to sit down and talk with the man because
you need that personal touch?
Yeah, not only that, it's just that I'm new to this and I have not only do I have no clue to what I'm doing, I have no clue to where I am. What I noticed when I was driving for dollars, it was like I was going back in a circle. I was going to different places, but I kept going back across the same streets and whatnot. It's a learning experience right now, and it's actually a lot of fun, to be truthfully honest.
Hold on, Lewis. Hey, Lewis, you can turn around for the camera real quick?
All right.
So you do wholesaling, right?
Yeah, I do wholesaling.
So what advice do you have for Sean about wholesaling, getting started?
Well, number one, finding sellers, finding buyers, and learning how to negotiate. Like, those are the 3 things. Finding sellers, finding buyers, learning how to negotiate.
I found a couple of buyers already.
Okay.
I did find that.
Okay.
I did do that. I've reached out to, I got a cousin who has a girlfriend that's a real estate agent. I spoke to one. I'm supposed to meet with her. I thought we were going to meet last week. And I've also been speaking to contractors, which I've just seen right there in my own backyard, basically.
So, like, my philosophy is if you find one seller, you'll need multiple buyers for that. Because the buyers, the seller actually dictates the deal. So you find the seller, which is the money, and then you find the buyer, which is who you're selling it to. So that's what wholesaling is. You're playing the middle person.
Yes.
Yeah, and then learn to negotiate. That's where you make your check. You can either make $100 on the same exact deal. Someone else doing it can make $5,000 just because they know how to negotiate.
Understood.
And what's the best tip you have for negotiating?
The best tip, ask questions. So always be asking questions because you will never know their situation unless you ask a question to find out. So, for instance, let's say you and I negotiated on the price of this. Yeah. My first question would be is, how much do you want to sell this to me for? I'll figure out a way to say it, but that's my first question to you because I want to know how much you want to sell this for. I want to know how much you value.
You want to know his number.
I want to know your number. And if you put that back on me, I'll say, sure, you want me to buy it, I'll buy it for $1. Like, if you really want me to say a number, I'll say $1. And then you'll come back with
$1.
I'm like, yeah, you asked me how much I want to buy it for. I actually want to buy it for $0, but you just giving it to me. I want it for $1. Now, if you say, oh, that's too low, how much too low is it? It's your house. I mean, it's your pen. You want to sell it. I've never walked in there before.
Isn't that the number 1 rule in negotiation? He who speaks first loses?
And if you so he who speaks first loses, but he who speaks first also sets the price point. Because if he says he wants $1 million for it, now I can't come back with $1. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Now I'm like, wait, why do you think it's worth $1 million? Now it starts asking questions in my head. So those are just some quick tips about negotiating. So he who speaks first loses. However, there's a caveat to that. He who speaks first dictates where you start, like your range. So just some quick tips.
All right, cool. All right, thanks, Sean.
Thank you.